Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to install eyelids for the headlights. It's going to give a crazy look to the front. So I'll show you the eyelids. Let's install it. Watch the video till end, guys. It's going to be crazy. Okay guys, before installing the eyelids, open the bonnet from the inside. Yeah, it's open now. Yep. Okay, I see the double side tape has been installed, so it will fit perfectly. Okay, you can see the tape has been done. Taping has been done. Now just remove this and just fix it. Okay.
रुको 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 ये क्या क्या है पूरा ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ
Okay. Yup.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು
Yep, guys, you can see it's perfectly installed. Yep, guys.
ಗಮ್ಮನು ಎತ್ತ ಉದುರಬೇಕು
Yes.
ದೋಷ
Yes.
ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ
This is for the left. Yep, it's installed. Yes, it's done. Both the eyelids have been installed. Now let's close the bonnet and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, you can see this is the outlook of the eyelids. It's looking crazy, guys. I'll just show you from the... Yep, it's crazy now. Okay guys, for your information, this eyelids was in when I ordered, the eyelid was in black color. I repainted this to the same color, so this is now in white. Hey guys, so the eyelids has been installed. It's giving fantastic look. I'm really happy with the eyelids. So let me tell you the cost of the eyelids. The eyelids costed me 1,750 rupees. Usually the eyelids cost will be start from 1,400. Some dealers will give you in 1,700, 1,500. So it's depend on you where you are going to buy. I have bought this eyelids from Pit Stop, which is located in Kormangla. I will add the location so you can contact him for the eyelids. Yeah, and as I told you, I have repainted the eyelids. It was in black color and I have repainted into the white color. It's giving stunning look now. Yeah, it costed me 1,750 rupees. Yeah, meet you all in my next video. The next episode is going to be crazy. Till that, guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.